The LG HBS-FN6 is LG's shot at competing against the AirPods Pro. LG collaborated with Meridian to bring us this product. Let's see if it's worth buying and whether you should spend your hard-earned money on it. My first impressions with LG was impressive. It has a small case, it fits in any pocket, and doesn't bulge out as much as it has a sleek design. The case is chargeable wirelessly and has an IPX4 water and sweat resistance. The earbuds have 6 hours of playback time and 18 hours with the case. It has basic touch commands like 1 touch for pause and play, 2 taps for the next track, 3 taps for previous track, and long press for activating your ambient sound. Of course, all these are customizable. The earbuds don't have active noise cancellation but does have noise isolation. It's like covering your ears using your fingers. The ambient mode is not up to AirPods quality, as it sounds very unnatural, probably because of the high gain the microphones use. The ambient mode is very harsh and the sounds are very irritating to listen to. I usually turn off the ambient mode as I don't like it. The sound quality is what LG really boasts about. The recent collaboration with Meridian probably paid off because these earphones sound impressive. You can equalize them using the tone-free app according to your needs. I usually keep them flat because that's how I listen to music. It fits comfortably in my ears, but when I wiggle the earbuds to put them in place, the content you watch will pause. That's really annoying. The app is really well sorted out and simple to use. The earphones fit are strong and there's a good chance it will stay there. I recommend people to buy this if they are rocking an Android phone, as the AirPods lose some features when they are paired with Android. If you are Tim Cook's fan, well, the AirPods are a good choice for you. Anyway, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss our uploads, and there's a giveaway coming shortly, so stay tuned. See you all in the next video.